Do you want to save time cleaning your Cybertruck? Today we're looking at the Foronetry Cybertruck Car cover. So if you're a proud Cybertruck owner, you want to protect your futuristic looking vehicle from the elements. And you might ask, why do I need a car cover for a stainless steel body car? Well, think about it. What if you park at the airport for a few days or a week? You can protect it from the dust, from the heat. The silver cover is going to keep your truck cooler while you're gone, and also bird droppings. We all know those are annoying. So many different things that this cover will help keep your truck looking in original condition. Save a lot of time cleaning your truck with this amazing cover. Hey guys, today we're going to look at something that's going to keep your Cybertruck looking pristine and clean in all weather and environment conditions. For example, snow, rain, hail, dust storms, leaves, so many different things that this cover will help keep your truck looking in original condition. Or you just washed your truck and it rains the next day. That's so annoying. You get the water spots, all those things. Maybe you park in your driveway or at work. And another thing that you may be thinking about, if they haven't wrapped it or put paint protection film, crazy fingerprints. People want to come up and look at your truck, or maybe you want your truck to have some privacy. So let's take a look at the features of this car cover. You have your nice reflective strips here for safety. You have zippers for the door so that you can access the truck even with a cover on. How cool is that? So there you go, access to the front door. You also have access to the charging port. Check that out. You can still charge while your cover's on. And this flap helps protect from rain and snow. Also, you have access to the tailgate. Just unzip these. And boom, look how easy that was. You can open up your tailgate. Look at that. Awesome. Let's do the unboxing. So we have our instructions here. Installation instructions, step 1 through 8. Carry bag or storage bag. So this is very cool. That way when you're not using your car cover, it can be stored away easily, thrown into your front trunk or rear trunk or under the back seats. Okay, so I have to zoom out a bit here. So there's the cover, and there's not much else to talk about. Let's just get it installed. So let's start with the installation. So you're going to start with putting the car cover on top of the entire vehicle, and then cover the mirrors. There's the left mirror. Right mirror. Now pull the cover down over the car or the truck. You're gonna line up your corners first. Next step is you're gonna pull the car cover down over the rest of the body. And keeping these colored corners aligned. This elastic part, make sure you stretch it all the way down. Double check your corners that they're aligned. So now that you have the cover fully on, you're going to buckle the two sides together to prevent the cover from coming up. There's the front. Now we'll do the strap on the back. You can just toss it under the bottom. Tight enough. And you're done. And here we go, removing the cover. Unbuckle these. Unzip the back to make it easier. Pull up the elastic. And then you can just bring the cover over the top. Actually, we'll do the mirrors last. And voila, there's your truck. Please make sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. Also, if this was helpful for you, please hit the like button as it really helps promote my channel. And please let me know in the comments if you purchased this accessory or any other accessories.